Hey guys, today we're going to talk about web hosting. If you're selling goods online, whether digital or physical items, or even doing affiliate marketing, and you don't want to rely on third-party platforms like Wix or Shopify, that can shut down your business whenever they decide, you'll definitely need your own website and, of course, hosting. Today, we'll check if good hosting really can cost around only $2.50 per month. Let's find out together. First up, let's look at GoDaddy. Right here, you see their web hosting economy plan currently priced at €5.49 a month. Seems affordable, right? But wait, there's a little catch. That so-called free domain, after your first year, it's no longer free. Yep, starting year 2, you'll be paying a standard renewal fee for that free domain, and on top of that, your hosting cost jumps to €204.87 per year. Seriously overpriced if you're planning for the long term. Look, I've got several domains registered with GoDaddy myself. A while ago, I was thinking about hosting with them, but guess what stopped me? They wanted me to pay extra for email accounts, a basic feature that's usually included free everywhere else. For me, that's ridiculous. So, of course, I moved on to another provider, SiteGround. Speaking of SiteGround, let's look at their prices. Here's the startup plan, currently discounted to $2.99 per month. Honestly, SiteGround was my favorite provider for many years, mainly because of their amazing support. Their support team is absolutely fantastic. If you're new to websites and think you'll regularly need help, SiteGround's support really stands out. They'll often even do stuff for you, even if they aren't obligated to. Chats are answered instantly, day or night. But again, there's a catch. After the first year, see this price here? It jumps to $17.99 monthly. And that free domain? It's no longer free after year 1. It's the same old story. Appealing starting prices, but you'll end up paying way too much down the road. Now let's check this cheap hosting alternative. Look at this. Just £1.99 per month. That's about $2.50 per month. And it's not just for the first year. This price won't jump later. Unlike GoDaddy and SiteGround, they're not trying to trick you with hidden long-term costs. Sure, you don't get that free domain here for the first year, but since the hosting itself is so cheap, even adding the cost of a domain separately, your total still ends up lower in the first year compared to the other two providers. Check out what I'm actually hosting here myself. Look, I've got 24 databases and 72 email accounts. Imagine how much I'd have to pay for 72 email accounts at GoDaddy. Even with all my websites, I still have tons of storage left out of my 200 gigabyte SSD. And as for my 2 terabyte bandwidth, I don't even know if I'll ever reach the limit. That's pretty amazing for just £2 a month. Okay, this cheap hosting doesn't use the regular cPanel you're probably familiar with, but check out their custom control panel. It's user-friendly and packed with features. Everything you could possibly need is here. Emails, backups, file management, domains, security, and even one-click installation for over 80 different apps. Nice, isn't it? The only real downside? Their support isn't 24/7. They have working hours, so sometimes you won't get instant answers. You might wait a bit, but they'll always respond as soon as possible. To sum up, if you want outstanding instant support and don't mind paying extra, go with SiteGround. If you prefer the cheapest, feature-rich, long-term option without hidden costs, and you're okay with slightly delayed support or don't need much support at all, then budget hosting is a fantastic choice. And GoDaddy? Well, honestly, I'd just skip it. A link to my favorite hosting you will find in the video description below. Hope this helps you make the right hosting decision. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, especially if you know an even better or cheaper hosting provider. Just don't include links in the comments. YouTube hides them. Instead, simply share the hosting provider's name.